Hi everyone. Right, apart from putting the word shop there, which I'm going to do later on, and I have to pop the flowers into here, but they're only poked in, so I'm fine with that, and I'm waiting for them to come because of the trailing flowers. This is finished. And it is a garden full of everything to sell. We've got bedded plants here in that corner. We've got potted plants there in bunches. We've got toadstools, pots, tools, garden spades and brushes. We've got this little cart filled with bedding plants and whatnot. I've put things on the wall like the wheel and there's some more plants to go in here, just here. I've put like a vine up the wall. Bird cages. Look, even down to an ornament, ammonite fossil ornament. And look, we've got a friend. This is Ruff. His name's Ruff. We've got a little garden section here with a garden hose pipe, because all these have to be watered as well. Some more trinkets on the wall. I've opened the gate and you can go in. There's a wishing well, some potted plants, bedded plants in here at the back. A nice post with a hanging basket on that's got to... I'm going to leave that as is because it's for sale. The broom's for sale. Not really, we're just pretending. Bedding plants just here. Little gnomes everywhere. Lots of these miniature seeds, but where they look like pumpkins, so I've left them in like that. Just here, sorry, I have to go round and round. Just here, I've done the frog in the water. I don't know what they call them, I can't remember. Sorry, mine's gone blank. Little gnome down here. Like I say, lots of garden tools. Lots of plants. I put some plants in the watering cans as well. Just in these little watering cans. But I love it. I think it's come out really well. I'm pleased with it. It's what I wanted. And if I had a garden like that, I'd be thrilled. Mine's a bloody mess. No, mine's getting done this year. But I just love it. And I think when the flowers are in the corner and in the bedded plant there, yeah, you can go from my shop through the doorway. I haven't put the doors up. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, to be honest. I'll have to see. But like you say, you can come in the shop and buy anything and everything you want. And look, I've put a dozen red roses on as well. So you can buy all of this stuff if it was real. And then walk into the garden section and pick up what you need. How's that? I hope you like that. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've loved doing it. Just got a few bits to stick down and then it's finished completely with the flowers and that. So thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.